In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Outlook. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of Microsoft Copilot and how it can enhance your experience in Outlook. Microsoft Copilot is a powerful AI tool that helps you streamline your workflow, manage your tasks, and enhance your productivity, all within Outlook. First, let's make sure you're set up to use Microsoft Copilot. It's important to note that you'll need a valid Microsoft 365 subscription. If you're already using Outlook through your organization or personally, you probably qualify for this feature. Once you have confirmed your Microsoft 365 subscription, the next step is to check for any updates to ensure that you have the latest version of Outlook installed on your device. Keeping your software up to date is crucial because features like Copilot often receive enhancements and improvements over time. So go ahead and open Outlook, then navigate to the File menu and select Office Account. From here, you should see an option to update your version. Make sure to click Update Now to get the latest features before we continue. Now that your Outlook is up to date, let's explore how to actually use Microsoft Copilot. You will find Copilot integrated into various parts of Outlook, including your emails, calendar appointments, and tasks. Let's start with emails. When you compose a new email or reply to one, you can leverage Copilot to help you craft your message more effectively. Imagine you're trying to write an email to your team about an update on a project. Instead of starting with a blank page, you can simply type a prompt or a few keywords, and Copilot will generate suggestions for you. For instance, type Update on Project X as your subject line, and in the body you can say something like, "Can you give me a quick draft?" Copilot will then help frame that into a coherent message, allowing you to focus more on the content rather than the structure. Moving on, let's talk about how Copilot can assist you in managing your calendar. Scheduling meetings can be a hassle, but with Copilot it becomes a breeze. If you need to set up a meeting with your team, simply type a message like, "Schedule a meeting next week with the project team." Copilot can suggest available times based on your calendar, while also checking your team's schedules, which can save you tons of time back and forth with email chains. Just review the suggestions it offers, make adjustments if necessary, and hit send. It's that simple. Another fantastic feature is Copilot's ability to organize and prioritize your tasks. If you've been overwhelmed with a long list of emails and tasks, you can ask Copilot to summarize your tasks for the day. Just say something like, "What are my priorities today?" It will pull from your emails, flagged messages, and calendar events to compile a tailored list of what you need to focus on. This can help you stay on track and ensure you don't miss any crucial deadlines. It's also essential to remember that Copilot learns from your patterns over time. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your workflow and preferences. As you engage with it, don't hesitate to explore its capabilities. Ask specific questions, or give it detailed tasks. The more you interact with Copilot, the more tailored your experience will become. Before we wrap things up, always remember that while Copilot provides excellent support, it's still helpful to double-check everything it generates. Use it as a tool to enhance your productivity, but be sure to apply your unique voice and insights to your communications. In summary, Microsoft Copilot in Outlook is a game changer for managing tasks and improving communication. It helps you craft emails, schedule meetings, and organize your priorities with ease. So go ahead and give it a try. I hope you